Welcome back friends to another episode of Guru Ghantal, a film recommendation video blog series on FVC+. This is Hitesh Chaurasia, a sound designer and filmmaker currently teaching at NIT Ahmedabad. The numbers of corona positive cases are increasing in India. At the same time, more than 7 million people are affected by floods in Assam. I hope you and your family are safe and pray that things get better soon. In today's episode, I am talking about Village Rockstars, a 2017 Assamese feature film by Reema Das. The film is about people of Assam in its villages and their relationship with nature. The film premiered at Toronto International Film Festival, and since then it has travelled to various film festivals and won awards, including the Best Feature Film at our own Indian National Film Awards. It was also India's official entry to Oscars in foreign film category. The film has become an inspiration for filmmakers across the globe, as Reema Das shot this film with just 2 people in very limited resources. We will talk about the film, its sound design and relevance in the current context. Let's first watch the trailer of the film.
Hola. মোৰ এখন সঁচা কিতাপ হ'ব কেনেকৈ
এই ফেলা গাছত কিয় উঠিছিলে তই হা আপা চলিকাটা হিটি বেছি Gis, kok gisili ata? Tamu ka na parpanora? Ami je uttilo adal gasur ada gisi daksa. Kadi banda apa lagi po? Lagi po. Aku lagi po. Ete mutuari no hargane gan pane te amate uta musse.
The film is about 10-year-old girl Dhunu in a remote village of Assam. She dreams to buy a guitar and form her own musical band with friends. With this simple and innocent idea, Reema Das weaves in stories of people of Assam, their life, rituals, dreams, struggle and courage. All the actors in the film, including the kids, are non-actors from the local village. Those who understand filmmaking, it is quite a challenge to work with non-actors, especially kids. Reema turns this challenge into an opportunity. The performance of the kids is the highlight of the film. Especially Bhanita Das as Dhunu is outstanding. She won the Best Child Actors National Award for her brilliant performance in the film. The character of Dhunu's mother, Basanti, played by Basanti Das, is loving, caring, progressive and a strong woman. Dhunu draws her energy and confidence from her mother. All the actors, including kids, could perform so well because, as cinematographer and director, Reema made sure that they do not feel the presence of camera. The way she captured landscapes of rural Assam, river, farms, market and natural light shows the immense possibilities which are available in digital filmmaking using basic equipments. Friends, a lot of Indian filmmakers confuse sound design with background music or just sound effects. This film is a very good example to understand how to use sound design effectively to create immersive experiences. While you are watching the landscapes of Assam and amazing performance of the kids, it is the sound that makes you feel present at the location with them. The sound of river, birds, trees, the kids laughing, giggling, and then the eerie silence after the flood evokes sea of emotions. There are crucial dialogue sequences while kids are running around, climbing the trees or in the middle of the river on a boat. With just one microphone, the sound quality that Mallika Das captured is incredible. She got the National Award for Best Location Sound. I am talking about this film for two reasons in the current scenario. First, students are worried about their studies and career. Especially filmmaking students and young filmmakers who are going to make their film around this time will face lots of challenges in terms of resources and logistics. They might feel limited in terms of ideas. This film is a good example to understand that there are stories all around us. We just need to observe. Also, limited resources should not limit our imagination. Secondly, a lot of people have lost jobs, opportunities, and even their family members due to COVID. The flood in Assam has damaged properties, infrastructure, crops, and wildlife. Many people have lost lives once again in Assam. In such a situation, there is anxiety about their future and life in general. This film shows us how to face difficult situations in life and still continue to dream. I hope we as a nation can work out a solution so that people of Assam do not have to suffer every year because of flood. Till then, let's contribute in whichever way possible towards the relief work and pray for people of Assam. That's all in this episode. The link of the film is given in the description area below. I'll be back with another episode soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.